Dear Sammy, I'm writing to you to tell you I've decided to go to a new school for young wizards in Arendelle. It is extremely hard to get into that school. Yesterday, I got so nervous I accidentally froze all my school supplies. Come on! Oh no, what should I do now? Ah! Anyway, the main entrance exam is tomorrow. I really hope you can help me.
Best regards, your friend, Elsa. Oh no, Sue, it's our obligation to help her out. We must get started right away. Hurry up and get all your markers.
Here they are. But how does this help Elsa?
We give her our school supplies and the day will be saved.
But regular school supplies won't do. She'll just freeze them again.
Oh, that's right. I didn't think of that. I know! Let's make special frost-resistant school supplies! I'll go fetch the materials.
I love this idea. Also, let's add some craft magic to help Elsa pass her exam.
Okay, frost-resistant materials. Where do I get these? Aha! Perfect! Come to Papa! Just don't tell Sue I used her thermo bag, guys, okay? Here, I think we'd better start with a backpack.
I think you're right.
Here, I made one more piece. Now, you can add a zipper to the backpack.
That's a great idea, Sammy. And thanks for the help. It looks a little boring, though, don't you think?
Who's boring? Me boring? Would a boring slime do this?
Sammy, I was talking about the backpack. No, you. Oh?
See? I'm magical, not boring. I should go to that school with Elsa. Abracadabra. Ah! Oh, I'm okay.
Poor thing. I think you do need to study magic first.
It's all right, Sue. Just give me a minute.
And while Sammy is getting back to his normal shape, I'll proceed with the backpack. It definitely doesn't have enough pockets. We need to fix this. One is ready, but we need one more.
Here it is. I made it using the secret slime technology.
Secret slime technology? Sounds suspicious. Ew! Sammy, but why? Huh?
In the name of magic, of course. See, I can cast the coolest spells.
Okay. So, do you have any decor ideas for Elsa's backpack? Oh, the greatest of all, Wizard Sam.
You bet! I think we need to put Elsa's portrait on it.
Hi, guys!
The model is here. Great! Oh, yeah, that's it. More color. Now light, composition. Ah, splendid.
Oh no, do I really look like that?
Don't worry, Elsa. Sam just tried to capture your beautiful smile.
What do you mean Sam tried? Sam succeeded!
So you think I have a pretty smile?
The prettiest. And everyone at school will know that too. The backpack is done. What's next, Sammy?
Frost magic, come help Elsa pass her exam!
Oh, there you are. Still playing with magic, huh? Come on, Sam. We need to keep making crafts.
Wait, the magic almost worked! Ha! There! Told you!
Okay, you're right. The frost magic is very beautiful. And it helped us make a very beautiful purse for Elsa.
You don't want to leave it like this, do you, Sue?
Oh, this is much better. And what do you say?
Wow, it's so cute!
And most importantly, it's roomy. Here, let me get this in. Hey, it won't fit.
That's exactly why we need to make a pencil case.
But it won't fit in there either.
Everything fits, just not the way you think it does. See?
No, I don't. Hey, wait a second. I can't see at all. Who turned out the lights?
Hold on.
Thanks.
And here's the pencil case we've got.
Apparently magic school is not for slimes after all. I don't understand what it says.
What? Nobody learns magic from ancient scrolls anymore, Sammy. You need a laptop. I'd lend you mine, but I froze it too.
That's not a problem. We'll make you a new one. Say cheese.
All right, for the magic laptop, we're gonna need a work screen.
I have one of these in stock right now. Here you go.
Thank you! Elsa turned out absolutely stunning here.
I've got a keyboard too.
I see you've got it all worked out. Now, what could we use to connect these two parts?
There is no better tool for connecting anything than a paperclip.
You're right, but not quite. We will only use a part of the paperclip. See? And now, we're gonna close all the ugly cuts. This is it. Doesn't it look pretty?
Oh, yes, I see. Magic stocks, wizardly investments, and frozen Bitcoin? Oh, that's sneaky Bitcoin?
Sammy, who are you talking to?
No one. I just wanted to try this talking on the phone thing. I feel very important now.
I'm sure you do, Sammy. And it got me thinking that Elsa will need a phone too. Good thing is that this craft is super easy to put together. Oh, I think you got a call from your school, Elsa.
Hello? Yes, I'm ready for my exam. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh no! Wait, the phone's not frozen? You guys did it!
Yippee! Great! Our super-duper frost-resistant school supplies are working just like they should.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Elsa definitely needs fancy earphones. Do you agree, Sammy?
Yes, but they need an upgrade. Here we go. Now they look more realistic.
Let me add the final detail. Perfect! Want to test them out, Elsa?
This is my favorite song.
Sammy, what are you doing here?
Notebooks, Sue. Elsa needs notebooks for school, but they keep falling apart.
Take it easy, Tiger. Sue's got it under control.
I've tried that before, but it didn't work.
That's because you didn't have a spring. Like this one. It will hold everything together.
Thanks, Sue. I got it. I even made another notebook.
Good job, Sammy. Also, Elsa needs art supplies. And crayons are just perfect to create beautiful pictures. Now, Elsa can choose any color she wants.
But without paints, Elsa will fail her exam. I can't let that happen.
Don't worry. I picked out these sparkly paint colors for our queen.
Crisis averted. Here, this will help keep the paints from running out.
And, of course, she needs a handy paintbrush.
All clear. I'm on the trail of mysterious frozen school supplies.
Sorry, Agent Sammy, but I'm gonna have to disarm you.
We spies aren't easily caught off guard, Susan. Ha! Now give me my super secret spy device back.
Sorry, Sammy, but your super device needs some workup.
Wow, Sue, you're just like those spy scientists who make spy gadgets.
Then, here's another spy gadget for you. The super duct tape dispenser.
Not only does it look cool, but it also helps anxious queens during their school exams.
Let's only make sure the duct tape doesn't go anywhere. Also, we'll make a stationery knife to cut paper. I'll just put a little bit of foil right here, and that's it.
Don't forget to mark out a place to hold on to. Safety comes first, you know.
You're right. So, what's next?
Guys, the exams are starting. We're late.
No, we're not. We've plenty of time.
That's why you need a watch, so you always know what time it is. This is going to be the bracelet.
Don't forget the dial. It's the most important thing.
Here we go. And the watch for the queen is ready.
Now I see that I still have time to study for the exam.
Do you know what we've forgotten about? Glue!
This is my chance to practice magic.
Wow, nice! You're getting pretty good at it, Sammy. And the glue is ready. Do you think one tube will be enough for Elsa?
Nope, but I've got you covered.
Great! Well, it seems like that's all we need. What do you think?
Laptop, check. Notebook, check. Oh, no. Sue, we forgot about pencils.
That's right. How could we do that? Pencils are probably the most important tool for learning. Also, it's always good when they are pretty and enjoyable to look at.
Don't forget about the functionality.
And if one breaks, Elsa always has a spare. Okay, now we're definitely all set.
Don't forget to pack the laptop. Oh, and the glue too, Sue. Well done.
Here you go, Elsa.
Aw, guys, thanks for helping me out. I feel like I'm totally gonna make it now. Wow, what a crowd! Okay, craft magic, don't let me down.
Aww.
Hey! Ice cream for the professors? Bold move.
I like it. Does anyone know her name?
Oh, I'm so nervous. I can't remember any of the formulas. Oh! Thank you, notebook.
Now that's real talent. 100 points out of 100.
Come on, Sam, pull yourself together. It's now or never. Hey, everyone. My name is Sam, and I'm also a kind of wizard. Here, let me prove that. Whoa! What's happening? Duh! I guess I really do need to practice more.
Sorry about that. Elsa, you're doing great, girl. Go for it.
Thank you, Susie.
Well, I can always try again, right? Maybe next year? Huh? Or not. Anyway, like this video if you want me to get over my cold faster.
Bless you, Sammy. Better go lie down. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.